What's your bid?
Gossip! Stop playing jokes on me.
And you score this card because ninjas are awesome!
Not when they're in headbands.
This means the bottom shelf is now just a cell phone and a fish. The top shelf is now just a Mime Jr. and Yowie. All you have to do is say the word Yowie to get a response. Exactly. Sir, please make your play. This is only 1 point of bait. You need 2.
Reverse that.
Replay!
What? No, the fish is 6 points, 1 for bait.
Reverse that.
Replay!
With the plushie isn't there with the fish.
Deep ball!
Yes.
We're all about love and kindness here.
No, not today!
And killing kindness.
Violence is key!
Death is comedy.
War is peace!
Love is a very good
Where is hell?
especially when concentrated with the coherent beam of destruction.
Always
Definitely.
look on the bright side of life.
Sir, you have a play to make.
Thank you.
Using the cell phone, he is radioing in a strike. Tekkoshocon, turn around, please. Turn around. Turn around.
I do not trust that. I think somebody's behind me.
She played me on the sense.
She promised cookies.
You score the cell phone card. You score the plushies card.
And
Mime Jr. falls on the bottom shelf, and we are at the last turn.
Dun,
Please end your spiel.
Mind control! Wait a minute.
So, yeah, you really...
Bow bow wow.
Now, unfortunately, you can't do anything with that. But I suppose it was a moral victory, if nothing else.